Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Old School Sprinklers. Today I have a Buckner 14E LT quick coupler valve. It's a 1-inch, and this is an old used one that I rescued from someplace, which I don't remember. But quick coupler valves are very handy out there in the world of irrigation. You can use them for connecting a hose to them or a sprinkler head. I actually happen to have a quick coupler key here already made up. I actually had a rainbird on it, a 1-inch that was used for watering areas on a big large grass area perhaps. But these are very handy. I'm just going to show you how it works. I'm not going to use any water on it today because it's just too much of a pain. But it's what they call a one lug. It only has one lug that goes down in there for part of the key, which is this little lug right here on the side. And that would actually drive it into the worm area down there and push down and into the bottom of the valve and let the water through. And in the place where I work with, they like what they call the locking tops, which is this right here. So I don't have my key with me, but I got the lock. But you can see you can lock it to where it helps to keep it clean from rocks and pebbles and stuff. But this one here happens, I have it right here in the catalog. I do happen to have a catalog on this. I'm not sure how old this part of the catalog is, but it is old. And this is some of the various tops that you could get, and like a swivel hose top that you could get for it. So, and again, you could put on a lot of different things. It can be sprinklers, another valve on top of it to throttle the flow control on it. Anyways, so I'm just going to do a little quickie demonstration on this. I'm going to put this on a little tripod here so I can use both my hands. And anyways, I hope it's in focus. Let's see. Looks like that probably is. But anyways, this would flip up, and you can see where the lug would go down, and then you start twisting it into the ground or into the valve, and it would actually release the valve at the very bottom, the opening, and it'll let the water flow on up into the sprinkler head in this particular case. So anyways, they're very handy. And this particular key is a model 25011, it says, made by Royal Coach. Royal Coach, I think, came after Buckner. This is an older Buckner valve. So anyways, something handy. So anyways, have a great day. See you next time.